In this guide, we will show you how to add a photo to a PDF. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have the PDF I want to add a photo or image to. First, open up a web browser and search for a site called I Love PDF. Go to that site and once on the site, look for the options Edit PDF. Click on it, then select the PDF file you want to edit by clicking Select PDF file. Find your PDF in the File Explorer. Select it and click Open. The file will then be uploaded. At the top, you will see several options. Click on the Add Image icon, which looks like an image. Your File Explorer will open again. Find the image or photo you want to add. Select it and click Open. You can now position the image where you want it on the PDF. You can add additional images if you like and place them on other pages as well. Once you are finished, click on Edit PDF in the bottom right corner. The file will be processed and you can click on Download PDF. As you can see, the image has been added to the PDF. If you find this guide useful, please leave a like. Thanks for watching.